Let's bring it out now. Who's tracking the fire danger, also tracking the return of those severe winds. Good morning, Al.
Yeah, good morning, guys. And as you've heard, things have calmed down a bit, but we still have Santa Ana winds that'll be gusting 50 to 70 miles per hour. The relative humidity's come up a bit, but that's going to be changing. Now, here's the deal. You heard about that particularly dangerous situation. It spreads from Pyramid Lake to just north of Santa Clarita, then from the San Fernando Valley out to Ventura. High risk for fires with explosive growth. Why? Because it's been so dry, because there is low humidity, and with fires already burning, whatever vegetation is left is super dry now, and so it will really kick off. So currently, we've got 13% containment of the Palisades fire, 89 the Hearst fires contained, the Eaton fire only 27% right now. Winds are relatively calm, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. But as the afternoon kicks in, you're going to see those wind gusts up to 50, 60, 70 miles per hour. And that's what the big problem is. Fires that are already burning and new fires that are being inflamed by the current fires themselves.
Okay. Thanks, Al.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.